Hey guys, welcome back to CRD Garage. And sorry we haven't been posting about the Arma trucks. It's been snowing and we haven't really had time to post a video about them, but we just picked up this Redcat Rampage MT 1/5 scale, and it's gas and weighs 50 pounds and it's a 32cc motor. So we picked up this truck at our local hobby shop called AJ Hobbies, and we have big plans with this truck. We have the T-Max, but this is just way bigger and better. So what came with this truck is the transmitter, 2 air filters, a wheel thing for the wheels to take the wheels off, a bunch of Allen keys, and a charger because you have to charge the battery inside the receiver for the receiver. The wheels came separate in two different boxes because of how big they are, and as you can see, they're the size of my hand. So the one problem I noticed when I bought this truck was that the body doesn't fit flush with the posts. You have to pull this down and then you can see it lines up, but it's still not as good. When we take the body off, inside the truck we have 32cc motor, we have 2 steering servos for the big tires, 4 big shocks, center exhaust. We have the gas tank, transmission, pump to prime it. So underneath this is the spark plug and where it's located. In order to get it, you have to take off these 4 screws, and then that will be, you can access the spark plug. This right here is basically like a concept of a roll cage to protect everything like inside. And at the bottom right here, it says this is a solid piece of metal. And that's going to wrap up the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to see this truck in action.